I came across a niche that I think will be an amazing niche to publish in, whether you're doing it through Amazon KDP or you want to create a new brand of books that you want to go ahead and sell online. This niche is the tween survival guide niche. But before I share with you why it would be profitable, let's start designing our own guide. I went ahead and designed these two book covers. I thought they were pretty cute, and it's just to give you an idea of how you can approach this type of book niche. Now, why would this book niche be a good idea to pursue? Let me show you. I am here on Amazon, and I'm going to go ahead and click on my KD Spy. And as you can see, where we see popularity, it says this is a popular keyword, and there are similar books here performing well. The potential, the revenue potential of books under this keyword looks very good. And competition, you can easily compete here for a first page ranking. Let me say that again. For the keyword tween survival guide, you can easily compete here in this niche for a first page ranking. If you don't jump on this, I think that I want to jump on this for sure. Now you're thinking, well, I don't know how to write anything when it comes to this type of book. What would I write? That's when you use ChatGPT. You ask ChatGPT if it can create for you an outline, a chapter by chapter outline for a book on a survival guide for tween girls. That's what you would ask it. And if you have issues writing your introduction and writing each chapter, what do? You come to Canva and you use Magic Write. Let me go ahead and show you what that's like. Let's say, for instance, we have this blank page in front of us. It's purple. I'm going to go ahead and click on text here. And where you see here where it says Magic Write, we're going to go ahead and ask this AI, Magic Write, to create some content for us for the introduction. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a prompt. Very brief. Write a 1-paragraph introduction for a book that's a survival guide for tween girls on how to navigate the tween years confidently. Let me go ahead and click on generate and see what this AI comes up with. Welcome to Tween Power. This AI even gave us the title of the book, Tween Power, Your Ultimate Survival Guide. A book designed just for you, the amazing tween girl ready to conquer the exciting and sometimes challenging years ahead. We can go ahead and use that, but of course, when you're using AI, you must modify it, make it your own, make it unique. We can go ahead and use this as the introduction for this type of book. All you would need is a heading, and you can go ahead and the heading would be Introduction to this book. And now you can go ahead and customize this, make it your own, and voila, this is your introduction page. So it's that simple. All you would need to do is continue to add other pages in which you would put chapter 1 and so on and so forth. And you do the same thing with the magic right. You can go ahead and add a page where you can shift it over here. And this could be your table of contents per. All you need to do is to commit to the idea, do the proper research, go on Amazon, look into every single listing that they have here on Amazon. Look at the keywords they're using, how to make friends, how to build relationships. If I were you, I would be taking notes, and not just of the title and subtitle, but of what's inside the description, the book description. In this book, your tween will learn what real friendship looks like, the different kinds of friends, how to spot the difference between healthy and unhealthy friendships. I mean, this is an outline in itself that you can go ahead and use for your own book. Obviously, add your twist into it and just make it your own. We cannot forget about the A+ content. Your book should have, your book listing should have A+ content. If you want to find out how to create this type of content, go ahead and leave me a comment down below and I will create a video just on this alone. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it extremely helpful. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. God bless.